When examining Earth's systems and resources, we have to start with foundations. So, let's talk about plate tectonics. Tectonic plates are the massive slabs of rock that make up our lithosphere. Their movement can cause earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain ranges. What plate moves and where is determined by their boundaries. In divergent boundaries, plate moves apart, forming mid-ocean ridges and valleys. In convergent boundaries, plates collide, leading to subduction. This creates volcanoes and trenches. The last boundary is transform boundary, where plates slide horizontally past each other, accumulating energy that causes earthquakes. Now that we understand the foundation, let's talk about what lies above. Soil. Soil is formed through the weathering of parent material, bedrock, and the decomposition of organic matter. We can better understand soil composition by examining horizons. Erosion occurs when the protective O and A horizon layers, or topsoil, are removed by water and wind and is accelerated by human disruption of plant cover. But what's above soil? Earth's atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 0.04% carbon dioxide. There are 5 layers of the atmosphere. Troposphere, where weather happens, stratosphere, where the good ozone layer is, mesosphere, where meteors are, and the thermosphere, which absorbs some pretty high solar radiation for us, and then, of course, the exosphere. Our atmosphere is super important to Earth's habitability. Too much radiation and we would be toast. One nice thing about Earth is that we are tilted at a 23.5 degrees, allowing us to experience seasons. Earth also has something called global wind patterns. Let's review some. Hadley cells cause warm air to rise at the equator, creating low pressure and rain before descending at 30 degrees. Westerlies ensure that surface air moving towards the poles is deflected to move west to east. Trade winds ensure that surface air moving towards the poles are deflected east to west. The Coriolis effect deflects moving air and water to the right to the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. What about when the wind doesn't quite work the way you think it should? Then you get El Niño and La Niña. El Niño results when the trade winds weaken, reversing warm water eastward and suppressing upwelling, causing droughts across the Pacific. La Niña is the opposite. Trade winds strengthen, enhancing upwelling and leading to wetter conditions in Southeast Asia and Australia, drier conditions in the America, and increased Atlantic hurricane activity. Wow, that is a lot of weather. Where does all the precipitation go? Watersheds. A watershed is an area of land that drains all precipitation, snowmelt, and surface runoff into a common outlet such as a river, lake, or ocean. It acts as a natural funnel.